In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update HeritCoin app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So by updating your HeritCoin, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that are related to HeritCoin app. Now, to get an update for your HeritCoin app, you need to go ahead and search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store on your smartphone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store app here. From this, I'll go ahead and using this search bar, search for the app. If you can't see this search bar on top here, go ahead and tap on search icon down below and then just search HeritCoin like this. And this will take you to this HeritCoin app. You can see it is installed. However, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of HeritCoin AI coin identifier. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of HeritCoin and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of HeritCoin app. So that's how you can update your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.